So one of the things what I like to discuss with you about that, which you and I discussed when last time we were in LA, is about we can take the organization right now and save some money. That is sounds really good and exciting. And I understand that executives get their bonuses and everything lined up with that. But talk about why innovation is also critically important. And you and I discussed about American executives traditionally get bonuses based on how much money they save.
Right.
And the sad part is that even if I save a company $10 billion, out of that, even if they take 0.01% and invest in innovation in your area, that is the reason I'm very excited about how we can collaboratively work and get the value to the, give the value to the client. So talk a little bit about why the innovation is so foundation for organizational success.
So one of the things I would observe about executives' incentives is that all too often the board is not paying attention. The executives themselves are really bonused and rewarded for essentially short-term financial results. And things like stock buybacks, things like returning results to investors and executives, that's all great. But fundamentally, we're not creating shared prosperity, and we're not creating the future for the company. I mean, as an executive CEO of my acquaintance said, I can run this company terrifically for any 4 quarters you choose. But after that, things kind of fall apart.
Right.
And so one of the things I think that we have the opportunity to do is if we can show them a path that they can get what they need to do, right? So create efficiency, increase your ROI, whatever it is you need to do in the short run, but then at the same time simultaneously take some of those resources and invest them in the longer run, in the things that are necessary for the organization's health going forward. I think that could really be a winning formula.